Hello YouTube, Text back with another video, and today's video is about how to fix keyboard not working on Windows operating system. It may be Windows 10, Windows 11, or Windows 8 or Windows 7. You may have a problem of keyboard not working. So on this video, we have 5 solutions from basic to advanced. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution for Windows keyboard not working is maybe it's a reason of cabling problem, which is when we see the basic problem, you may insert the keyboard cable in the wrong place. So check you installed or you plugged in the keyboard cable on the right port of on your computer, on the right place of the computer or the laptop. So after you check the cabling, then the second solution will be check, which is the troubleshooter. So checking the troubleshooter. So to check the troubleshooter, you can select here the search icon and you can find here setting, and as well as you can right click here on the Windows icon, then right click on it, then you find setting. As you can see here, settings. So select settings, then after you find settings, then you go to the bottom part and you find the you go to the bottom part and you find here troubleshoot, right? As you can see on the system, you find troubleshoots. So open the troubleshoots. So after you open the troubleshoot, then you find other troubleshooters. So select other troubleshooters and find for keyboard. So as you can see here, I found keyboard option. So then I will go to run. Select run, which is detecting issues related with your keyboard malfunctioning or not working problem. So it detects this. So it may take some time. Wait patiently until it finish the detecting procedure. So here the troubleshooting completed. So no change or update we are necessary. It finished. Then close the troubleshoot and the setting option and check your keyboard is working or not. So if this thing is not working, the third solution will be, again, we will go to here, the desktop, we will click the Windows icon, then we will go to device manager. We find here device manager. So open the device manager. So after the device manager opened here, the device manager, we are going to search for keyboard. So here, as you can see, keyboard is here and there is an arrow. So select the arrow and click on this HID keyboard device or the device that you found on your computer and select update driver. So select update driver, then finally search automatically for driver. So it will search automatically for driver. Then it says the best driver for your device are already installed. Then close this and close the device manager and check your keyboard whether it's working correctly or not. So after you check the device manager, then the other thing will be going to Regedit. If that solution is not working, go to Regedit and check some solutions or find for some solutions. So go to here Windows icon and select run. So on the run, there is a search box that will be appeared. So you cannot type that thing. So here I will put this Regedit on the description box, so you can copy and paste on the search bar of the run, then select OK. So here you find the reg editor section. So after you find the reg editor section, then search for local machine, which is, as you can see here, open HKey local machine, select the arrow. Then after you select HKey local machine, then go to system. Select system. Then after you find the system, then find for current control set here. Then select here the current control set. Then search for services here, services, then select services. Then on the services, select here, go to the bottom, find I, which is the symbol I, which is we will go to I. So here you find I8042 PRT. So select this one and go to start. Here you find the start. Select start. Then here a value is 3. So backspace and put 1 and select OK. Then close it. So after you close it, then restart your computer. So after the restart, check your keyboard is working or not. If the keyboard is not working, then the final solution will be again, we will go to here, the Windows icon, we will click, then we will select settings. Then after the settings opened, here you will go to accessibility, the final solution, accessibility. Then on the accessibility, then go to the bottom and you'll find keyboard. Then open keyboard. Then on the keyboard to the bottom you go and you find on-screen keyboard. Then on-screen keyboard, then turn on this on-screen keyboard. So when you turn on, you find your on-screen keyboard. So you can type by using your mouse to the screen by using the on-screen keyboard. So this is all about today's video on how we can solve or fix the Windows keyboard problem. And if you are new here, please subscribe. And if the video is helpful, give me a thumb up, comment on the comment section. For today, charge take out.